Hello everybody and welcome to Sky Wanderer. So another ship review. So this time we review the Beagle, so made by Ray-Ban. I just helped him to do the painting, and the painting is obviously inspired by FTL, because I was thinking that this nice little ship is looking like the final boss of the game FTL. So this is an exploration ship. So it's quite compact, but there is actually a lot of room inside, and I really love the overall shape. I think it's really easy to read and a bit iconic in a sense. And there is some nice detail to enhance the overall look, like this on the top, and also really much enjoy the engine, the work on the engine that give a really nice look. That this is the ramp to access. We're gonna enter inside in a few seconds. So the landing gear also is really cool. It's quite they are not that big, but they're really bulky, and I think they really fit the overall design very well. So the cockpit with a nice panoramic view, because yeah, this is an exploration ship, and also that nice antenna over here. So I really love that that look. Just on one side, so it's really fantastic. So I landed, just built a small landing platform, and so lots of people were wondering actually. So yeah, each block you build on the Taurus actually warp a little bit, so you cannot really see it because the Taurus is quite big, but yeah, they will slightly warp. So if you are going to build in a straight line, you will just do the full circle and go back to where you started. So yeah, so this is the technology, and now we are ready to enter into that nice ship with the ramp over here. So I really love, so this is like a working area, and so it's quite busy, lots of screen and stuff over here, and a workbench over here also. That is quite lovely. And actually, so this is, yeah, a screen link to a camera. So yeah, sorry, the camera was built upside down, but it is actually mounted on a rotating block, so you can look around. Okay, so now let's enter into the cockpit. So the cockpit, so there is a bed over here. So there is not yet an official bed block or brick for now, but so people are are just doing bed the best way they can, and a small place to do some work. And this is the holomap. So the good old holomap. Oops, sorry. And yeah, so that's it. So I'm just gonna close it, and yeah, you know what, let's just fly this little ship, because it is supposed to be an exploration ship. So okay, let me just close the landing gear, and now we can just start to explore the that nice planetary system. So this is the Basilisk. So this is obviously a completely different kind of ship, and it's also made by Ray-Ban. Okay, so I just activated the hyperspeed mode, so we are now into an exponential acceleration phase. So basically the ship will double its speed every I think every 5 seconds or something like that. So this is really convenient when you want to travel inside a planetary system, for example. So now you can see that the ring is moving really close, and so if you played Elite, you might know how this works already, but basically you will have to decelerate at one point, otherwise you will overshoot your target. Okay, so we are closing down. I just want to go inside the asteroid, so I think I'm going way too far, but that's okay. Yeah, with the new asteroid technology, actually they are loading pretty fast, and there is no collision yet, so no no worries. I will work on a collision after the Kickstarter, and the Kickstarter is doing really well. So really thank you everybody for your support. Now I can just decelerate quite fast like that. So yeah, it was a bit brutal, so you will not able to do that when I will add a collision, obviously, but that's it. So a little bit of travel because this is an exploration ship. So thank you everybody, and see you on the next one.